Let's begin this fun and educational journey through the English alphabet. Ready? Let's go.
B is for
ball, ball,
Say it with me.
ball,
B is for
banana, banana,
Now say them with me again.
banana,
B is for
bear, bear,
Now say it with me.
bear,
B is for
book, book,
Say it with me.
book,
B is for
bird, bird,
Now say them with me again.
bird,
B is for
boat, boat,
Say it with me.
boat,
Great job. Let's review what we've learned.
ball, ball, banana, banana, bear, bear, book, book, bird, bird, boat, boat.
Great job, kids. You're fantastic. Thank you for learning with us. See you next time.